Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1 litre Civic Sportline. Now of course, as standard, this does come with your LED daytime running lights. Also comes with 4 front parking sensors and these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard. As you can see, they are all painted black and are in great condition, but I will go into each and every alloy just so you can see them for yourselves. Walking around the car again, we've got 4 rear parking sensors. We've also got a nice little reversing camera just up at the top here, which does make this thing an absolute doddle to park. We've then got plenty of room in the tailgate, as you can see here. We've got the 60-40 split, flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with this level just here. We've then got this brilliant pull-out privacy shelf, which marries up with this shelf here, just to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. We have got full black leather interior with the red stitching. As this is the Sportline, that is the only reason you will get the red stitching. You've got Isofix mounting points at the bottom, and you've got full electric automatic windows all round as well. Inside the car now, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got economy mode and auto stop start just there. You can turn it off with this little press, just a press there. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox with dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. Within this display, we've got satellite navigation, which is just there. We've then also got your various audio sources just here. Subject to availability, as you can see, just there. And then we do also have Bluetooth hands-free function just here. Moving over to the steering wheel now, as you can see, we've got your audio controls on the left with your volume. This little button here does control the onboard computer. We've then got voice assistant and your Bluetooth hands-free. These arrows here work between the infotainment system and the onboard computer. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. We've got full automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 10,056 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sportline, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.